Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the class. Which lesson we are studying? Tell me first. What is our lessons number? We are studying lesson number 1, 2. Which lesson number we are studying? Yes, we are studying our lesson number 2. What is our lesson's name? Fractions and decimal. Now tell me the definition of fractions. Now, anyone tell me the definition of fractions, or you can tell me in which form we represent the fractions. Yes, anyone? Yes, we can represent it in the form of P upon Q, in which P is the numerator and Q is the denominator, and Q must not be 0. Okay, in the previous lectures we completed the exercise based on the multiplication of fractions. Okay, so we have completed addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, and in the last exercise, that is exercise 2b, there are some questions in which we use the divide. So in the today's lecture we are going to study about the division of fractions. Okay, but before starting our division, I will tell you some terms which will you need in the division process. Okay, the first term is reciprocal of a fraction. Reciprocal of fractions. Okay, reciprocal of fractions. Okay, now what is reciprocal of fractions? When you interchange your numerators with denominator and denominator with your numerator, then we say that the fraction which we found is called the reciprocal of that given fraction. Suppose you have the fraction 2 upon 7, 4 upon 5, 7 upon 3, 2 upon 9, 8 upon 6, 3, 9 upon 4. These are some fractions. Okay, you have to tell me the reciprocal of these fractions. For these, first, how to write a fraction. So, if you have to write the fraction, you have to place the denominator term in the numerator and the numerator term in the denominator. So, 7 by 2 is a reciprocal of 2 by 7 and 2 by 7 is a reciprocal of 7 by 2. अगर आपको किसी भी फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल निकालना है तो आप क्या करोगे, जो टर्म डिनोमिनेटर में है आप उसे न्यूमरेटर में लिखोगे और जो टर्म न्यूमरेटर में है उसे आप डिनोमिनेटर में लिखोगे. तो हम उसके बाद बोलेंगे कि ये जो आपका फ्रैक्शन बना है 7 by 2, ये रेसिप्रोकल है 2 by 7 का और 2 by 7 रेसिप्रोकल है 7 by 2 का. ओके, so now tell me what is the reciprocal of 4 upon 5. Tell me what is the reciprocal of 4 upon 5. So the reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. The reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is 5 upon 4. In the same way, tell me what is the reciprocal of 8 upon 3. The reciprocal of 8 upon 3 is 3. In the denominator is 8. Okay, and the denominator is 8. Okay, so after that, what is the reciprocal of 9 upon 4? It's 4 upon 9. Okay, now tell me what is the reciprocal of 7 upon 3? The reciprocal of 7 upon 3 is 3 upon 7 and the reciprocal of 2 upon 9 is 9 upon 2. So in this way we can find out the reciprocal of any number. Okay, now we are moving further with our next topic, that is division of fractions. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you here. Tell me first what is the reciprocal of 0. Tell me what is the reciprocal of 0. If you have to write the reciprocal of 0, and what is the reciprocal of 0. So remember that there is no reciprocal of 0. Make this note headline और आप इसे एक डार्क इसमें मेंशन करके अपने नोटबुक में लिख के रखेंगे कि 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, 0 has no reciprocal. And अभी आप मुझे बताएंगे which number has the reciprocal itself. मतलब ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जिसका रेसिप्रोकल आप अगर आप निकालते हो तो वही नंबर आपको एज ए आंसर मिलेगा. सो विच नंबर हैज क्या द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ विच नंबर इज अ नंबर इटसेल्फ. किस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल वही नंबर होता है तो वो होता है 1. 0 का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता है, 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 ही होता है. ये याद रखना है ये दो टर्म्स, अदरवाइज इनको छोड़ के जितने भी फ्रैक्शंस होंगे उन सबका आप रेसिप्रोकल निकाल सकते हो. ओके, सो फॉर द डिवीजन, ओके, इफ यू हैव टू divide 2 upon 3 divided by 8 upon 9, you have to divide 2 by 3 by with 8 by 9. आपको 2 by 3 को डिवाइड करना है 8 by 9 से. नाउ देयर इज नो प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवीजन इन द फ्रैक्शन. फ्रैक्शन का डिवीजन नहीं होता है. सो if you have to divide any fractions then you have to perform the operation of multiplication there. क्योंकि डिवीजन नहीं होता है तो आप क्या करोगे, आपको उसमें डिवीजन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. सो फॉर दिस ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपके इसमें कोई डिवीजन सिंबल है, यू कैन इजीली रिप्लेस इट विद द मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड देयर इज नो चेंज. अगर आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि डिवीजन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके सॉल्व कर दें. if you are changing your division symbol with the multiplication then there must be some changes according to that symbol. Okay, so if you have to change this division symbol into multiplication, अगर आपको इस division symbol को multiplication में change करना है, so write first fraction. जो fraction first पे लिखा है, first fraction as it is. You have to write your first fraction as it is and you have to write the reciprocal of your second fraction. For these, if you have to divide any two fractions, write first fraction as it is, change your division symbol with the multiplication symbol and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So it is 9 upon 8. So if you have to divide the two fractions, what will you have to do? You have to write your first fraction as it is, change your division symbol with the multiplication symbol and write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, after that your quotient changes to the multiplication quotient and you know how to multiply the two fractions. So if you have to multiply it, you will write it as 2 multiplied by 9 and in the denominator you write 3 multiplied by 8. Okay, so 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. So in the denominator what it is 1 into 3 and in the denominator it is 1 into 4. So our answer will be 3 upon 4. So what is the answer of 2 by 3 divided by the 9? It is equals to 3 upon 4. So in this way you have to divide the two fractions. Okay, now take some examples of it. I will give you the mixed fraction question. Okay, so all of you close your books first. First आपको क्या करना है, close your books, not notebooks. Close your books, open your notebook and take a pen and solve this symbol as a solve this question as a multiplication question. Okay, आपको क्या करना है, बुक क्लोज करनी है, नोटबुक ओपन करनी है और जो क्वेश्चन आपको दिया जा रहा है वो आपको करना है as a multiplication question. That means you have to change your division symbol with multiplication. Okay, try to find out the answer within a minute. Okay, so try. I will give you the question. Your question is 3 5 by 7 divided by 2 1 by 6. Okay, I will give you 1 minute to solve it as soon as possible. Okay, so solve it. As I told you, you have to solve this question as a multiplication question. So, if you have to solve, you will write the solution as solution 3 5 upon 7 divided by 2 1 upon 6. So, your solution is first you convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. You will convert your mixed fractions into improper fractions. So, what will be your answer? Your answer is 7 into 3 plus 5 and in the denominator it's 7 divided by 6 into 2 plus 1 and in the denominator it's 6. So 7 into 3 is equal to 21 plus 5 that is 26 and in the denominator it's 7 divided by 12 plus 1 that is 13 and in the denominator is 6. So now this is changed into a division of two improper fractions. So now you have to change your division symbol with the multiplication symbol. So what will you do? You write your first fraction as it is. Change your division symbol with the multiplication and write the reciprocal of 13 upon 6. That is your second fraction, that is 6 upon 13. 6 upon 13. So tell me the answer. What is the answer if you multiply 26 with 6? If you multiply 26 with 6, what will be your answer? Tell me fast. Is it 216? Is it 216? Tell me fast. 26 into 6 is equals to 216. But now here इधर ध्यान दीजिए सभी, आपका है आपको यहाँ अभी now you have to multiply 26 into 6 and many of you didn't remember the table of 26. So it will be lengthy for those students who don't know the table of 26 or 30. So it will be more calculative for you. So if you don't want to multiply the numbers in the numerator or in the denominator, so cancel them out. Try to cancel them out. If you cancel it, your answer is 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So your answer becomes in the numerator 2 into 6 and in the denominator it's 7 into 1. So your answer will be 12 upon 7. So your answer will be 12 upon 7. So the cancellation method will be useful here because there are the multiplication of bigger numbers. Okay. So in this way you have to divide. Suppose it is your if your question is given as suppose in your question it is given that divide 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. This is your question. Now how will you write it in a symbolical form? अगर आपको इस question को symbolical form में लिखना है तो आप कैसे लिखोगे? You have to just write it as 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So you can write it as 2 into 1 plus 1 and in the denominator it's 2 and it's a division symbol. Don't change your division symbol until and unless you are both the fractions in a proper or improper fraction. जब तक कि आपके दोनों fractions proper fractions में improper fractions में नहीं आ जाते हैं, solve नहीं करना है, इस division symbol को change नहीं करना है. अगर mixed fractions है तो first convert it into a improper fraction so that your division become easy. So if you are solving it, it is 3 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2. So it will convert into first fraction as it is. Division symbol changes to multiplication and the reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So this 2 will get cancelled and your answer is 3 into 1 and in the denominator it is 1 into 1. So your answer is 3. Because in the denominator it's 1 into 1 that is 1. So we can skip if the denominator is 1. So you don't need to write it. Okay. So dear students, you have to solve question number 1 of exercise 2C. Okay, listen carefully. You have to solve exercise 2C, question number 1, in which you have to divide your first fraction by second fraction if there is no fraction. That means suppose there is a first question that is 7, divide 7 by 7 by 8. Your question in the exercise is divide 7 by 8. So write this 7 as 7 upon 1 divided by 7 upon 8, because if there is an integer and there is no denominator given, so we can consider it as a denominator as a 1. So solve question number 1 according to this. Okay, there is a question number 2, that is find the reciprocal of each, in which you have to write the reciprocal of each fraction. So if there is integer, so first write it as 5 upon 1, 7 upon 1. अगर आपको सिर्फ 7 दिया है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल पूछ रहा है, तो पहले आप इस 7 को 7 upon 1 लिख लो, तो आपको रेसिप्रोकल ऑटोमेटिकली मिल जाएगा. If there is given is a mixed fraction, so first convert that mixed fractions into an improper fraction and then find out the reciprocal. If there is a negative symbol in the numerator, if there is a negative symbol in the denominator, so what will you do? If there is a negative symbol in the numerator, so place it in a numerator, don't change it. अगर आपके numerator में या denominator में negative symbol है, तो आप उसे numerator में ही रखना, ठीक है, उसे चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. और कौन सा नंबर होता है जिसका रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता है? द नंबर विच डोंट हैव अ रेसिप्रोकल इज 0 एंड द नंबर हैविंग द रेसिप्रोकल इटसेल्फ इज अ 1. सो रिमेंबर दिस 2 points and solve question number 1, 2. Okay, solve question number 1, 2, 3, 4. They all are the homeworks for you. Question number 1 to 4 are homeworks for you. I will tell you the question number 5 in your next lecture. Okay, so try question number 1 to 4, but do it carefully, because there is a division symbol which you have to convert it into a multiplication. Okay, till then take care, bye.